Good afternoon, north of 44 degrees. I was unable to find the snow totals for this year so far, but it feels like we've received a ton. And probably more importantly than that, we had two periods of winter, once in January, once in February, where we got up to 50 degrees. So all of that snow that we had melted in rapid fashion, turning my driveway into a muddy mess. It looks a little bit better now because we had it scraped, but starting first thing tomorrow morning, we're going to fix that. I've got a crew coming in and they're going to put in a whole new driveway. This is going to be, they're going to put down a base layer of probably 10 or so inches of sand, topped by 4 inches of crushed concrete. We asked them about a geotextile, and we're told that because of the sandy soil here and how much it heaves in the winter or in the spring breakup, geotextile is not recommended. What happens is that pokes up through the aggregate, if you will, catches on a snow blade, and you end up ripping up your entire driveway. So we're just going to do sand and crushed concrete, which is the recommendation for this area. So let's get to it. Guys will be here first thing in the morning, and we're going to build a driveway. We're nearing the end of day one. You can see they've got all the fill dirt in and just waiting on the trucks to start arriving with the crushed concrete. We are supposed to get some rain tomorrow afternoon, so they're going to be hustling to try to get this thing done before the rain comes in. This sand is really soft. I don't know if you can kind of see how soft it just tears up when you barely touch it. So it's going to take a little bit to get this packed in, but should be good to go. In places it's up to 13 inches deep. Most other areas are more reasonable at 8 or 10 inches. We'll see if I can get everything done by the time the rain comes in, and we'll get our driveway back. See you in the morning. Check, check, check. All right. Well, we've survived a biblical rain event. I think we got 4 or 5 inches in the course of about 24 hours, and that was right after this driveway was installed. So I think we're safe to say we survived. So we can put a bow on this project. I do want to do some work on the edges. You can see there is some erosion going on, especially with really, really heavy rain events. I've reached out to the Michigan State Extension Service to see if there's some sort of a grass or a plant I can use to kind of help with this erosion control. I don't want to use boards or timbers because I still need to be able to plow and get snow off the driveway and out of the way. So I'll get that sorted out. Maybe it'll be in a future video, maybe not. We'll see. With that, we're going to call this one done. Thanks for watching. See you next week.